Thank you for watching this video. I'm working on that treasurer's desk. As you can see here, I've got the orbital sander, 80 grit sandpaper, taken off the previous finish. And after doing so, I noticed quite a few pinholes, screw holes, mounting holes that need filled. So I'm taking the sanding dust out of that orbital sander, captured it, adding some Type Bond 2 glue here to mix it up to create a fill. This is a time sensitive thing because once you start mixing that glue up with the sawdust, it tends to want to set up pretty quickly. So just smashing it in to each of those pinholes, screw holes. Some of them were bigger than others, but this creates a pretty good fill. The glue gives a nice good bond, and it's sawdust, or sanding dust specifically. Sanding dust, the edges there. I'll go over this with sandpaper, with the belt sander later. You can see the whole process of this transformation. Some of these holes are pretty big, and a couple of them I actually went over twice with this process. I just didn't get video footage of the second time. So, have you used this type of wood fill before in a project? If so, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. And stay tuned for future videos covering this transformation.